All right, so you have an image and you want to make it move in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to drag that image onto your timeline, put it wherever you want. If it's too small, you're going to drag it out just a little bit. And then now you're going to make that image move, right? So say we want this face, this little happy face here, or a blank face, I'm sorry, to move from here all the way down here. What we're going to do is use keyframing. Keyframing is pretty simple. You have a start point and you have an end point. You know where you want it to start and you know where you want it to end. So once you click on this blank face and you make sure it's highlighted with the white box around the clip, you're gonna go to your effects control panel. Make sure you clicked on the effect control panel because that's the only place you'll be able to edit these keyframes. Once you click there, you wanna make sure you have your image dragged to the point where you want it to start. You're going to select the position keyframing toggle right here. Click on that. This is going to start your keyframe. It's not a time, but whenever you move, it makes a new keyframe. Whenever you move this image, it makes a new keyframe. So you have it right here. In order for it to move, you have to move keyframes on your timeline. So we're gonna move the arrowhead 10 times, 10 frames to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really simple. And we're gonna drag our image to the last point where we want it, so at the end of the screen. So we're gonna click here, double click on the image, and you're gonna drag it down here. So now, when you play it from the beginning, it's gonna go from the top right corner to the bottom left corner. Now say I went too fast, but you're like, okay, that's cool, I did it, but I don't wanna go in that fast. You can start your timeline from the beginning once more. Go to your effects control panel in the top right. Zoom in on your trackpad by stretching it up, stretching it open. If you have a PC, you use your scroll wheel and zoom in, I believe, like that. So you're gonna go ahead and stretch it open slowly. You don't wanna go too fast because you're gonna lose your spot. And then say you wanted to go slower. That means you have to drag the back keyframe farther away from the starting point. So you're gonna click on here, drag it away from the starting point because now it's getting further away, it's gonna go slower. And now you have it going to go slower. So you started from the beginning, hit your space button, and it went a lot slower that time. Now if you wanna know the distance from the beginning to the end, you can literally count the frames. So you can go back to the beginning, and now you can look at the effects control panel in the top right. Yours might be in a different location, but look at the effects control panel, and you can hit the arrowhead to the right and count every single frame. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 frames from the beginning. So that's why I went slower, because the first time we did 10 frames, and then when we dragged the last keyframe away from the beginning a little bit more, we drug it out about 22 frames now. And that's how you make something move across your screen. You can do that multiple times. Every time you move your arrowhead, you can move the image somewhere else, and it's gonna keep moving on your screen. All right, so like, comment, subscribe. I hope that helped. If you guys don't have Adobe Premiere Pro, it'll be linked down in the description below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Peace.